dance is an indigenous folk dance from the Indian state of Assam related to the Bihu festival and an important part of Assamese culture. Performed in a group, the Bihu dances are usually young men and women and the dance styling is characterized by risk steps and rapid hand movements. The traditional costume of dancer is centered around the red color theme signifying joy and vigor. Dance begins with the performance young men and women slowly walking into the performance space. The men thus start playing musical instruments like drums, particularly the double head, dhol, hornpipes and flutes, while the women place their hands above their hips with their palms facing outwards, forming an inverted triangular shape.
নাচিবৰ হ'ল মন চেঙেলীয়া দেহা মনু তলা মনুৰুৰু কৰে ঐ জানমণি বহাগৰ বিহুতে ঐ মন চেঙেলীয়া দেহা মনু তলা মনুৰুৰু কৰে ঐ জানমণি বহাগৰ বিহুতে ঐ কোমল কুঁহি পাতে কোকো ফুলে বিহুতিকা দৰে অসমৰ চুকে কোনে তোমাক জানমণি বুলি জানে কোমল কুঁহি পাতে